Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the CEL or couple area Lagrangian explosion over a new concrete column type with X shape still as a core. Also the reinforcement, you can see the reinforcement inside the column, and if I click and this and then this and then the animate, you can see the result for this explosion here. Let me again see here uh, the TNT expansion. This is the wave expanded in the air and then impacted to the column and caused huge damage in the concrete, but the X shape is still resistance against the blast load. Let me remove the TNT and check the column. See here, this is the column, and if I check the tension damage, see it is fully damaged. You can see that. And now let me replace the Johnson Cook damage and replace the steel X shape, and then request compressive damage, request plastic strain, stiffness degradation, or anything else. And let me check it in this view to consider the volume fraction of the TNT. If I click on animate, you can see the volume fraction. This is the first volume, then after the explosion it is expanded in the air and caused damage in the model of the concrete. And here we use a strain damage as a damage parameter for the concrete. Besides that, you can use brittle JH2 or RHT material model, anything, you can do that. But here I just use a strain damage, and you can see this is the wave propagation. You can check also for it the stress as the pressure. You can see this is the pressure inside the air. So if you want, or if you need to learn the CEL explosion, concrete material with damage and reinforcement as an X shape, you can use this tutorial, this useful tutorial. Just come to our website, find the English tutorial here, then click on title or blue sign. Here you will have title, the geometry, assembly, interaction, load, material, anything, and the result as figures you can see here. The cost for the CAE, INP English video and reference for the material is 28 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. Here we have also the full package containing more than 400 tutorials about all aspects of simulation and modeling in Abaqus. By using this package, you will be a master in modeling and simulation, and you will learn all things. And it contains many things. You can read here the main titles. Also, there are many subtitles in these main titles, like explosion, impact welding, biomechanics, forming, cracks, soil, CFD, FSI, thermal analysis, cyclic loading, masonry, DM method, pull-out, any composite material, concrete, steel, seismic load, electromagnetic, anything. So if you want to buy this exceptional package to learn all things about the modeling and simulation in Abaqus, contact me to this email to tell you about the payment process, the price, and anything that you need to know. So thank you for your attention.